What's up guys, Joe from 450 Sports, about to do break number 299, which is a double box of Artifacts 2013-14, live on breakers.tv as usual. So break number 299, break numéro 299 de eBay, double boîte de 2013-14 Artifacts. And after that we'll do break number 300, which is a double of SPK Muse 14-15. So here we go with the double of Artifacts. There is, as usual, 10 packs per box and 4 cards per pack with some nice redemption. So if we pull a redemption, I might have to look it up because I don't know them all by heart. So here we go guys, 20 packs. Bonne chance, good luck. Here we start. Alright. First off, rookie redemption for Colorado, 207. 207 rookie redemption for Colorado. And base. I don't know 207, is that like Scarbosa or McKinnon? I don't know. Sorry guys, I don't know them by heart. Alright, double jersey number 236. Marcus Naslund for the Canucks. Marcus Naslund for the Canucks. Next we have a blue parallel number 285. Phoenix Oliver Ekman-Larsson number 265. Blue parallel. Then we have a double jersey frozen artifacts of Simon Gagné for the Flyers. We have a patch. And yes, for the New York Rangers, we have a patch jersey auto number 4 of 8 of Christian Thomas for the Rangers. So 4 of only 8. You can see it. Yeah, there you go. 4 of only 8. Christian Thomas. Jersey patch auto for the Rangers. And we have a Tundra Tandems for the LA Kings of Doughty and Jeff Carter. LA Kings. Next up, rookie out of 999, Nick Bjugstad for Panthers. Next, we have 999 Artifacts base of Corey Schneider. Corey Schneider for the Canucks. And we have, at the bottom, we have a red out of 399 Panthers, Peter Mueller. Panthers, 2 packs left out of box number 1. We have a red rookie 299 Buffalo Sabres Mikhail Grigorenko for the Sabres. And the last pack of box number 1, we have a Artifacts out of 999, and it's it doesn't say which year, because it's Wayne Gretzky, but it's only Team Canada. Might have to look it up. It says 98, so I'll check 98 to which team Gretzky played. Sorry for the phone, guys. Alright, pack number 1 out of box number 2, Tundra Trios for Colorado of Jigar Varlamov and Stastny. Colorado. Pack number 2, rookie 999 Montreal Canadiens, Jarred Tinordi. Next, Next, we have out of 9.99 for the Jets, Pavlik. Base parallel of Pavlik for the Jets. Rookie out of 9.99 of Emerson Adam for the Canucks. The Ducks. I don't know why I said the Canucks. Anaheim Ducks. Blue out of 85. Braden Olby for the Caps. And base. 5 packs left. Rookie redemption goes to the Flyers. Card number 221. 221 for the Flyers. 4 packs left. Frozen Artifacts Mike Richards for the LA Kings. That guy doesn't belong in the NHL anymore. Green base parallel out of 99, Bobby Ryan for the Ducks. 2 packs left. We have a green jersey patch number 275, Boston Bruins, 1 color patch though, of Zdeno Chara. And last pack out of break number 299, dernier paquet de break numéro 299. We have a auto fax for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Tim Erickson. Those are not numbered. Tim Erickson auto fax. So thanks again, guys. This was break number 299. We'll be right back with break number 300 in about 10 minutes. Thanks again, guys. See ya.